I'm not worrying. I understand Imphal is a nice place. Imphal live me loina mabuk phaye khange. But for Sudhir it's going to be the first time. I'm thinking about him, about his studies.
Hello. Good morning, Principal Sahib. Thangal Bazar da laiba tamoga itai magadu laikidre. Bhayana Tauramba Karbardusu, Loina Mutbasu, Aina Pamde, sir. Isano Pase, Matomta Popanina, Aiga, Lavina Ninganesa, Magi admission as a Sargi College the Tawapame, Sarna Karafanaba Simbirone, Aiti Karisu Upai Laitrine. Aigi Isano Pado, Sargi Inakta Hana Taraklaki. Thank you, sir.
Kari hire, Yani hire.
Yarani hire, Principal na lo ina silagi hire.
Oh, yamna phare ne didi. DM College hai bana trauma ki tuho.
DM College of Science Imphal dani.
Oh, I heard it is a premier college in Manipur.
Yes.
So should he stay at Thangal Bazaar?
No, he will stay at DM College of Science Boys Hostel.
Okay, yamna phare didi.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Are you coming up? Mình không đi hay. Mày ăn nuôi. Nông chỉ nông. No.
Bhaiya,
huh?
Here is your hostel.
Is this hostel?
Yeah.
Right, guys now. What? Where are you going?
Just outside to buy some items.
How much?
What does that mean? I don't know.
You don't know how much?
No.
Nang khang de, ngồi chung ba? Nói chung mà nang khang de.
You don't know?
You don't know?
Bhaiya, come on. Your hostel is here.
Hostel?
Yeah.
Sure.
Come on.
How much? 100.
You're Sudhir?
Yes, sir. Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm the Chowkidar of the hostel.
Sir.
Principal told me you'd come.
Yes, sir.
Please. This is your room.
Oh, yes, sir.
And this is your bed.
Yes, sir.
You are going to stay with one of your roommates.
Yes.
He went home. He'll be coming back day after tomorrow.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Feel comfortable. Feel at home. This is your key.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Welcome.
Alright, sing a song.
Brother, I haven't sing any song before.
Hey, sing school bowling.
I haven't sing any song.
Sing! Oh, you better sing. You don't know how to sing.
I haven't sing any song before.
Either you sing a song or you have to dance.
Sing.
Okay. Give me some.
Otherwise, you know.
Give me some minute. I'll sing. Give me some
Sing.
minute.
Come on, sing. You better sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you say. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I...
Open the door! Open it! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Hello, I'm Meiraba. Nice to meet you. And here are my friends.
Hi, I am Anil.
I am Satyajit.
I'm Tom.
I'm Davis.
Hello, I'm Methil.
We are informed this morning that you are joining us from today's evening.
Friend, we are here to get a warm reception for you.
Mayam, Sudisi ko hostel gi ano boy na sangpa junior ne. Adoma khoi na puna cooperation pimina se. Logo ma yum da laite habagi awaba khoi na pula phangagum se.
Yeah. Yes, we should give full cooperation to him.
Yeah, and we should also teach him our language, our culture and habits, and also learn from him. After all, we are the citizens of this country.
Right, we should love each other. That's the beauty of life, and that's the meaning of studentship.
Yeah.
What happened? Why are you crying?
Nothing.
Okay then, let's have the dinner together. Okay, let's go.
Is it ragging me, brother?
No, it's not. We don't do ragging in our college, and it's also not acceptable by law. Don't cry. It's okay. Don't cry.
Brother, I'm not crying. I'm very happy I'm not crying.